Good morning to everyone. I am Kalaivani, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Trinity College for Women, Namakkal. I am going to discuss about electrodes. First, we discuss the introduction of electrodes. So, electrodes are employed to pick up the electrical signals of the body. In the biomedical instrumentation system, the pair of electrodes plays the role of the transducer. The electrodes are used in medical devices, transfers the ionic current energy into electrical current in the body. These currents can be amplified and have proved to be helpful in diagnosing various diseases. Medical electrodes comprise of a lead, metal and electrode conducting paste. Next we see about the half cell potential or electrode potential. The voltage developed at an electrode interface is designated as the half cell potential. When a metal electrode comes into contact with the body fluid, there is a tendency for the electrode to discharge ions into the solution. So this diagram shows the equivalent circuit of the surface electrode. So it is contact with the body surface. EHC. EHC is the half cell potential. CD. So CD is the electrode capacitance. Next RD. RD is the leakage resistance. And RS refers the series electrolyte and skin resistance. So next we discuss the types of electrodes. Electrodes consist of 5 types. First one is the surface electrode. Second one is the micro electrode. Third one is the depth electrode. Fourth one is the needle electrode. And fifth one is the chemical electrodes. Now see one by one. So first one is the surface electrode. So surface electrode is used to measure the potential from the skin surface. It is also used to sense the potential from heart, brain and nerves. Larger surface electrodes sense the ECG signals. Smaller surface electrodes sense the EMG and EEG signals. Surface electrodes have 5 types: metal plate electrodes, suction cup electrodes, adhesive type electrodes, multi-point type electrodes, floating electrodes. So this diagram shows the metal float plate electrodes. So metal plate electrodes are used to ECG measurement. It is the simplest form metallic conductor in contact with the skin. An electrolyte soaked pad or gel is used to establish and maintain contact. The electrode is made up of German silver. Electrodes are pasted on the skin using electrolyte paste or gel. So this diagram shows the suction cup electrodes. So suction cup electrodes. It is flat surfaces of the body and to regions where the underlying tissue is soft. Physically large but only small area is in contact to the skin. This is the adhesive type electrodes. So next, multi-point electrodes. It is also used to ECG measurements. It has more than 1000 active contact points. This helps to establish low resistant contact with the human. Under any environment condition, doctors can use multi-point electrodes. So this diagram shows the multi-point electrodes. So next, floating electrodes. The floating electrodes do not contact the human subject directly. They contact the subject via electrolytic paste or jelly. The advantages of this type is the mechanical stability. Thank you.